everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Lex and today I'm going to be showing you guys a little secret hack, I guess you could call it, on how to make your ponytail look bigger, longer, and fuller. So this is a little thing that I have been doing for quite a long time now, a couple years, but every time I have my ponytail like that and I tell the person what I did to make it look like that, they're always so shocked, like, oh, I never knew that before. It's such a good tip. So I thought I would come on and share it with you guys. So as you can see, my hair is in a ponytail right now. So I'll let you see how it looks from the side. This is how it looks from the back. Nothing terrible, but it isn't super long or super full, anything like that. So to achieve this extended, fuller, longer ponytail look, all you're going to need is a comb, a brush, and 1, 2 ponytail holders. So first things first, what you want to do is you're going to separate your hair into 2 sections. So what I like to do is grab about like halfway between my ear, the top of my ear, and then like the top of my head, and just separate that. Just like that. And then just put up this first section so it's out of the way. Ooh. Got another hairstyle right there. So with this bottom section, what you're gonna do is take your brush and simply just start brushing back like you would put it into a regular ponytail. You're going to try and make a ponytail, but what you're gonna try and do is make it as close to that section that you made of the 2 pieces of hair. So you want to try and get this ponytail like right in the middle of your head. Okay, so you can see from the side, from the other side, how it looks. Just simple ponytail. Now you're going to take your section, your last section, part your hair however you would like. For your ponytail, you can do no part. I like to do a little side part because since I have a widow's peak hairline, it's always better to do your parts off center so that it's not very or extremely noticeable that you have a widow's peak. If you guys would like me to do a video on hairstyles for when you have a widow's peak, let me know down in the comments, because that's something that I was thinking about but didn't know if anyone would like to see it. So let me know. Okay, back to the ponytail. So you're going to get this section of hair and you're going to put it in a ponytail right above the first one. So you're going to try and put it right, like about right here. So I'm just going to first brush it how I want. Try and get it in a ponytail right above this one. So now, like you can see, the ponytails just kind of blend together and it looks so much longer and fuller than the first ponytail. So then you can just go through, fix your little touch-ups, and voila, that is it. That's all you have to do. It's only, what was that? 2-3 steps. So basically, no one can tell from the side that you have 2 ponytails, but now your ponytail looks that much longer and fuller and better. And no one has to know our little secret. So I hope you guys found this video quick and easy to follow. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more hair tips and hair tutorials. Let me know what you guys want to see and I will definitely make it for you. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you next time.